Are you looking to simplify tables reservation for your restaurant? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a powerful table reservation system using the Food Menu WordPress plugin. With this system, your customers can effortlessly book tables or seats by selecting their preferred date, time, and even providing their contact information all in just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional, user-friendly table reservation system that's perfect for enhancing the dining experience at your restaurant or cafe. Let's get started and take your reservation process to the next level. For this, go to the settings of your food menu dashboard, and this is the interface of it. By clicking this option, you can enable reservation and click on Save Changes. Now click on Reservation. Here you can set and customize the total seat capacity along with minimum guest numbers for your reservation as well as maximum guest number. In addition, you can set a flexible time intervals to generate time slots in the reservation form. Then choose your reservation status and weekly schedule to accommodate single or multiple days. Then choose your weekly holiday, and then you can use enable cancel form options to easily cancel the reservations through a cancellation form. We will now create reservation table and chair. For this, go to the table layout from your food menu dashboard. From here, you can add any kind of shape for your table. So select any one of it and then add the chair. Click on duplicate it. To make it as much as chair you want to add for your reservation. Now provide the serial number for your chair. Now select another shape of table and add it. Again, same process for adding the chair for your reservation. You can also organize and arrange how the chairs are displayed right from here. Then, like previous, provide the chair number one by one, serially. Thus, you can create reservation table and chair by following the previous steps. Provide the table number and give the serial number for the chair. Now click on it to save all of your changes. Let's create reservation page. For this, go to the page, then add new page. Here, provide your title like table reservation. Click on plus icon. But before moving forward, you must go to the reservation section under the settings and copy the shortcode provided here for normal reservation and for table layout reservation. Paste the copied shortcode here. Now click on publish and view the page. Here it is. You can see the date, starting time and the ending time along with your reservation table and chair design and the numbers. Then you need to provide your name, email address, phone number and the message if you have. Then click on request booking. Yeah, your reservation has been successfully confirmed. Now back to the all reservation of your food menu plugin dashboard. Here you will get reservation details in all reservations like created date, reservation date and the status also. Now go back to your table reservation, set the date, your starting time. Since the reservations for chair numbers 1 and 2 have been confirmed, their status is shown as unavailable here. If you further want to change your status, then go to the table reservation and change your starting time and set the ending time for any particular table. Then select it and provide your name, email address, phone and also message if you need. Then click on request booking for save. Let's go to the all reservation to see the current status of it. Thus, you can edit your status as confirm, complete or cancel afterward. An email notification will be automatically sent or marked as completed. Now let's see how to control email settings. For this, go to the settings of your food menu plugin dashboard and then reservation. Click on email settings. Here you can control your email settings like sender email address, admin receive email, user reservation pending notification and also the pending message tag. It will help you to notify once it has been confirmed. Then set your confirmed message text as well as cancelled message text. Now let's learn how you can import table layouts. Go to the table layout from your food menu dashboard. Then go to the export table layout. According import table layout, choose the exact file of it. Then click on import. Save your changes. Let's back to the table reservation page to see the customization. Afterward, we need to upload an image for room background image. Select it from yourself and then save your changes. Set the date and starting as well as ending time. Thus, you can import your table layouts. This is how you can easily create table reservation with food menu plugin. Thank you for watching.